12 reasons why relationships fail you must know. The issue of failed relationships has been a topic of discussion for decades, but with new challenges emerging in modern times, understanding why relationships fail is more critical than ever. Relationships are like intricate puzzles. They require specific pieces to fit perfectly for the picture to come together. When essential factors such as trust, communication, loyalty, or affection are missing, the bond weakens, leading to eventual failure. In this article, we'll explore the 12 most significant reasons relationships fail and how to address them. 1. Loyalty, the cornerstone of trust. Loyalty is non-negotiable in any relationship. A lack of loyalty often leads to infidelity, one of the most common reasons relationships fail. Trust cannot thrive in the absence of loyalty, and once faithfulness is compromised, it becomes challenging to rebuild. Loyalty isn't just about avoiding infidelity. It also involves standing by your partner in tough times and respecting their boundaries. 2. Communication, the lifeline of connection. Poor communication can destroy even the most passionate relationships. Open, honest discussions allow partners to address issues before they snowball into irreconcilable differences. Heated arguments are not productive. Instead, try calm, constructive conversations. Relationships flourish when partners listen to each other with empathy and clarity. 3. Effort and time, the investment that pays off. Relationships demand time and effort to nurture. When one or both partners neglect these aspects, the bond weakens. Prioritizing your partner, spending quality time together, and working through challenges strengthen the relationship and prevent feelings of neglect or resentment. 4. Space and distance, balancing independence. Even in love, individuals need personal space to grow. Dominating your partner or refusing to respect their need for independence creates tension. However, there's a delicate balance. Too much distance can lead to emotional disconnect. Finding this equilibrium is key to sustaining a healthy relationship. 5. Trust, the foundation of stability. Without trust, relationships crumble. Suspicions, lies, or broken promises sow the seeds of doubt. Even when suspicions arise, addressing them through honest discussions is better than making assumptions. Trust is built over time, but it can be destroyed in seconds if mishandled. 6. Compromise, meeting in the middle. Compromise is essential for harmony. Stubbornness, holding grudges, or frequently revisiting past mistakes creates emotional baggage that weighs down a relationship. Being willing to forgive, adapt, and meet your partner halfway shows respect and commitment to the relationship. 7. Change, life's inevitable challenge. Life evolves, and so do people. Factors like career changes, relocation, or shifts in financial status can alter the dynamics of a relationship. Sometimes, these changes can pull partners apart despite their best efforts. Adapting to these shifts together is crucial to maintaining the bond. 8. Family and friends, outside influences. The opinions of friends and family can heavily influence a relationship. While their support can be beneficial, unsolicited advice or disapproval can strain your bond. Protect your relationship by setting boundaries and ensuring your priorities align with your partner's, not external voices. 9. Weak foundations, a rocky start. Many relationships fail because they start on shaky grounds. Rushing into a relationship without understanding each other's values, goals, and personalities often leads to mismatched expectations. Take the time to build a strong foundation before committing fully. 10. Lack of compatibility, an overlooked factor. Compatibility is more than shared interests. It's about aligning on values, goals, and lifestyles. Misaligned compatibility becomes evident during major life events, such as raising children or handling financial stress. If partners aren't compatible, sustaining the relationship becomes a monumental challenge. 11. Expired chemistry. The passion fades. Some relationships lose their spark over time, especially when they were built on lust rather than love. Physical attraction alone cannot sustain a relationship. As the initial excitement fades, couples must find deeper emotional and intellectual connections to keep the relationship alive. 12. Emotional issues. The hidden storm. Emotional turmoil, often driven by hormonal changes or personal insecurities, can wreak havoc on a relationship. Mood swings, anxiety, or unresolved trauma need to be addressed through communication, understanding, or professional help. Ignoring these issues can create an emotional chasm that's hard to bridge. How to prevent relationship failure. Understanding these factors is the first step to safeguarding your relationship. Here are some actionable tips to keep your relationship thriving. Prioritize communication. Have open conversations regularly. Invest time and effort. Make your partner feel valued. Foster trust and loyalty. Be transparent and dependable. Embrace change together. Adapt and grow as a team. Seek professional help. When challenges seem insurmountable, therapy can help. Conclusion. No relationship is perfect, but by recognizing and addressing these 12 common pitfalls, you can strengthen your bond and navigate challenges effectively. Relationships require patience, understanding, and continuous effort. If both partners are committed, the relationship can overcome almost any obstacle. After all, love isn't just about finding the right person, it's about building a life together. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.